You hopped in that bitch too fast. What's up, guys? Alright, this is Cole. This is one of my best friends. I'm teaching him how to drive stick shift today. And see how well he does. Alright, so first, no, hold on. Alright, there's 3 pedals, obviously. The left one is the clutch. Yeah, make sure it's all the way down whenever you shift gears. And then the middle one, brake, gas, obviously. Alright, it only has 5 gears, so here, put the clutch in. And then top left first, bottom left second, third, yeah, fourth, straight down, this is from third. Then, yeah, that's fourth. And then top right is fifth. Bottom right is reverse. It's kind of hard to put it in. There you go. Alright, and then that's neutral. So whenever it's in a gear, the clutch has to be in, unless you're moving. If you're not moving and you're in a gear, then you let the clutch out, it'll stall.
Okay.
And then, yeah, put down the e-brake. We'll probably start rolling.
Put the clutch in?
No, you don't have to put the clutch in. Oh yeah, so we're rolling a little bit. Alright, and then
put it in first, or clutch in?
Put the brake. I usually put the brake on just in case it's a hill. Yeah. Alright, now put the clutch all the way in.
It's all in.
And then put in first. And then now you want to slowly release the clutch until you feel the car start moving, and then you add the gas. Alright, a little more clutch out, a little bit. Let's get on the gas. Hold the gas right there. Alright, now you just keep letting the clutch out slow. Oh! Hey, that was smooth. It just took a little, that was smooth, bro. That was good.
I'm gonna go over here. I don't want to interrupt their parking session.
But yeah, and like first gear is really weird. It has like a lot of torque.
Yeah.
So like if you let the gas off completely right now, it'll probably jerk. It's really weird.
Would that be bad though? If it jerks? I don't know. It feels
it's a
like
Corolla.
I know, but I feel like.
Yeah, I don't know. I think they're learning how to drive too, because they've been driving around. Okay, yeah, that's neutral. So then you're good. You can let the clutch off whenever you're in neutral, and you're good.
My parking spot now.
All right. So that's the hardest part, learning to stop, go, because like when to release the clutch, where the catch point is, where the clutch hits the flywheel and stuff.
Yeah.
And that's basically the hardest part. All right. So put the clutch back in and put it in first. Alright, there. We're gonna try to get to the second and third gear in the parking lot, and then we can get to the street. Alright, so do it again. Slowly let the clutch out, but you don't want to add too much gas. If you add too much gas, it makes it a little. And if you take the clutch out too fast, it's like a jerk. Alright. There you go. And I usually shift when it's like at 3,000 RPM.
Yeah.
Just like good mile per gallon. Alright, so then you just turn. You can speed up a little bit.
Turn low. I'm trying to get even. Look at even ground. Because it seems like we're all doing uphill. This is a good even spot.
Yeah, this parking lot goes up and down. There's like waves. Alright, yeah, there you go. Alright, try it again.
Okay. Now put gas on.
And all cars are different. Like every clutch, it like catches at a different point. So once you get used to this one, you can't just hop into another one and just instantly try that. It'll be at like a different point.
Yeah.
Come here, roll. Alright, try in second. You gotta let off the gas, put the clutch in, and then put in second, and then release the clutch and then add some gas. There you go. Yeah, little lifts. Alright, you wanna go to the you got everybody rolling in here. You wanna go to the street? Go around here?
Sure.
Okay, you haven't started yet. 5. There you go. The neutral wobble. And like if you're rolling, I would never put it in first, because like it's like just too much. I just put it in second. So like right now, if you wanted to be in a gear, I just put it in second. And you just let off the clutch and add some gas. And yeah, like that.
Oh, it's not too much.
You just took it out too fast, that's why.
Okay.
And then go left. You don't want to get stuck in the middle of the road. Alright. Oh, they're turning. Oh wait, which way are they oh, this turn. Were you kind of in the middle?
No.
Oh, you got it.
they're not going too fucking fast.
Damn! That's bitch. Alright, first. Alright. Dude, there's a car behind us. Alright, second. Alright, there you go, there you go. Alright, let's go right.
No.
Which way is he going? Oh, he's going left. Alright.
The hard part was trying to see.
Alright, this is kind of a hill, so if you let off, it'll probably roll back a little bit. Oh, it's barely pulling back.
That's too much.
Make sure I got it. Come by the time. Alright, try to get up to like fourth gear. Alright, so shift. Alright, shift. Alright. And then fourth. Oh, we can get fifth. Alright, good thing you didn't go to second. That's happened before. Alright, and then fifth. Damn. Alright, so we're coming to like a turn. So like I would slow down and then I'd put it in probably second. Just to get ready. And hold the clutch in the whole
Yeah,
time.
I'm holding the clutch in. I just hold the clutch in every time I brake.
And then now let the clutch out and add some gas.
That's too much.
Yeah, the gas is like delayed. Oh yeah, there. It's out the clutch.
Shit.
You're in neutral.
Shit.
There you go. And then forward. You got it, you got it. There you go, it's easy. And basically that's it. The hardest part is just stopping and going.
Surprisingly, I did well on that stopping, I'll be honest.
Yeah.
Especially leaving the parking lot. And
You haven't stalled it yet. You should have saw, oh my gosh, when Matt, this dude stalled 14 times. In one session, it was like stall, start back up, stall. Like it wasn't like combined, it was just 14 in a row. Okay. The hills are so hard, because you'll have a car, like say you're parked on a hill, like trying to move up at the light, a car will be behind you, you'll roll back, and like you can hit them if you don't take off fast enough, and if you stall, then it's even worse. It's terrible, it like stresses you out, especially, that's why I practice in neighborhoods.
Am I in fifth gear?
Yeah, four? Yeah, you're in fifth.
Damn it. Just trying to put it in third.
You can put it in third. Just don't put it in first. Now add some gas. There.
Fuck, I knew this was gonna happen.
You're gonna let him go.
Yeah, let him go.
Oh, there's a Mustang behind us!
No.
Bro, you got it. You got this. Don't even worry. They're not even there. That's first. Oh, there you go.
I'm gonna roll back, am I?
No, you got it.
Okay, I'm rolling back.
No, it doesn't matter. He gave you some speed. Just get it going. I swear, this nigga honk. Go, gas. Oh, put the clutch in. Alright, I'm gonna roll down and talk to honk at me again. Alright, let go. Alright, let them go. Alright, just release the no, add some gas. No, it's okay if you roll. You got some space. Just get it going.
Wait, this is sketchy.
Oh, it's died again.
You wanna switch?
Hit the brake, don't.
You wanna switch?
Alright. Here, just have a... Alright. Bitch ass nigga, bro. Fuck you! No, hold on, we're turning back around.
I'm about to fucking pull up. They
Bro,
pissed me
same.
off.
Why did they honk after I just switched?
Oh, watch out, this thing.
Fuck.
This nigga pissed me off.
Bro, he honked after I already switched seats. Like, what the fuck? Fuck that dude, bro. Nigga, what the fuck? Oh shit, he's doing quick. Come on, bro, stop, nigga. What the fuck? Why did he honk?
He could have gone around.
He hung twice after we switched fucking seats. Hey, you look for him like in the parking lot. You're like some fat bitch.
For real. I'm like pissed. I'm about to go up and fucking talk to him.
I know. Look in that parking lot. I think I'm pretty sure they went left.
I don't see him.
I tried to look back. They probably went left right here. I don't know why. This shit really weird.
They went left.
Fuck that stop sign.
They probably took a right.
I'm going right. How'd they dip? Where'd they go?
Oh, pussy, bro. I mean, I know I suck, but like...
Okay,
that was too far.
It pissed me off. Like, they honked, I understand. I was like, I can see why they honked, because they thought like you were either texting maybe. But
Yeah.
then, after we switched seats, they honked again. I'm about to go around this dude. I'm trying to think where they could have gone.
Just remember, you're low.
Gas lights on. Not probably that burnout.
That shit is gay.
Bro, that guy. Why? They didn't have to honk twice though.
They could have gone around. That's what I'm saying. Like, if you're gonna honk 2 or 3 times,
Bro,
fucking
we
just go around.
even had the hazard lights on. Like, what the fuck?
It's so fucking weird. Is
Which
this
way
still
you think?
recording?
Which way you think they went?
I say left.
Well, I see that too. Dang it, they're gone, bro.
You're still recording, right? Alright. Well, I'm gonna end it here. If y'all want a part 2, just comment down below. This got interrupted, so the next episode is gonna be me driving the street, and if we see this Mustang again, we're gonna beat his ass because that was gay. That was no chill.
That was fucked up.
I suck at manual, but this is fucking gay.
The thing that makes it even worse is, it's not like we're on like a street. This is like around a high school. It's a school zone, like area.
And no, there was a lane around on the other side of us. He could have gone that way, and he gave us room because I was gonna roll back, but he could have gone around instead of fucking honking 3 times. That's why I'm like, that's why I'm getting fucking pissed.
Bro, he's probably gone. Dang.
Whatever this car is, I don't even know what the fuck it is.
She a pussy. She had a V6 Mustang, so I don't know why she honking like she had a V6.
Was it a girl?
It was a girl. I think I couldn't really tell.
Because he said he's talking to some chick with a white Mustang.
She don't go around here. I don't know where to go, honestly.
Be careful, be careful, be careful.
Alright, well, thanks for watching. Hopefully, alright, cool. That was like the worst of the worst that could have happened.
Yeah.
Someone like flip out from stopping. Alright, well, thanks for watching and
comment for a part 2.
yeah.
This shit's gay.
Alright.
Doesn't really know where I heard like
Something right now. Alright, so it's been like an hour and we came by the school to see if like we were gonna drive around it and see if we could find her. And he thinks he just saw her car. Alright, his car. We don't know who it is. So we're gonna go check it out and see if it is. We know it was like a 2013 Mustang, white, and it had like the side, like
the Mustang decal on it.
Yeah, on the side.
It was the V6 base model.
Wait, so where was it?
The big parking lot.
I just see trucks. Oh, I think I see it.
It's in the middle.
I see it, yeah. I just saw trucks for a second. Alright, so we're back in the parking lot. Yeah, Cole, grab that.
Shit.
Alright.
One car looks like someone's in it, the one with the window open.
Alright, that's it.
That's it.
We found you.
Someone in that car though?
I'm looking. Nope. They just keep their windows down. Alright, so I don't know what we should do to it. I don't think we're gonna do anything, honestly, because I wouldn't want someone to fuck up my car, but fuck this bitch, whoever she is. Fuck
There's
you.
a license plate. Get the license plate.
Fuck you, that's her license plate. HVTO 637. Fuck you. And yeah, you got a V6 pussy ass nigga. Damn, bro. Alright, if we see her on the streets though, we gonna be talking to her.
Oh, fucking pull up.
Alright. So yeah. Hopefully that didn't scar you from life trying to learn how to drive stick.
Kinda did.
But bro, you good. That's just under pressure, you could tell. But alright, so thanks for watching and we'll see y'all in the next video.
Bro, you see me doing well, see I'm working too, trying to get some money for myself, see I'm out